All right, code monkeys, gather round. You think you're hot stuff because you can make a button change color on hover? Cute. Let's see you turn that into cold, hard cash. Oh wait, you can't. That's what I thought. Smash cut. Okay, here's how to actually make money with code. We're not chasing unicorns or building the next Facebook. Nope. Our goal. A cool $3 to $5K a month to cover rent and fuel your DoorDash addiction. It's time to stop scaling to 0 users and start building something people will actually pay for. Think smaller, ship faster, make real money sooner. It's not rocket science. Folks, we're aiming for the pays. My bills tier, not private jet status. And guess what? That's way easier to achieve. Let's talk idea frameworks for strategies to find your moneymaker. First up, micro niche pain. Find those tiny, boring, specific problems everyone else ignores, like an inbox auto-categorizer for people who collect vintage spoons. Oddly specific, yes. Potentially lucrative, also, yes. Strategy 2. Tackle a big, crowded pain point. Calendars, password managers, to-do lists. Sure, there's competition, but if the market's huge, there's room for you. Just be better or weirder. Number 3, X for Y. Discord for knitting circles. Linux for grandmas. Narrow your audience. Sharpen that use case. Make it impossible for them to say no. Last but not least, the GPT wrapper. Pick one narrow workflow, let AI handle the grunt work, then slap on a nice UI and some guardrails. Boom! Instant product. Now, why do most devs get stuck? They're too busy polishing their perfectly clean code and planning for 1 million users, while having exactly 0. Meanwhile, someone else ships a janky MVP and starts raking in cash. Don't be that guy. Enter the SLC principle. Simple, lovable, complete. Simple means 1 or 2 core features. Max, lovable, make it look good enough that people actually want to use it. And complete. Those 1 or 2 features better work end to end or you're toast. Let's talk design for a hot second. Humans are shallow creatures. Great code plus ugly UI equals users running for the hills. Use design references to hit, not hideous quickly. Focus on landing pages, sign-up flows, dashboards, and checkout screens. Make it pretty, make it convert. Now, for a stack reality check. Your tech stack doesn't make money. Solutions do. Use what's popular, supported, and feels comfy. Here's a solid web stack to get you started. Next, JS and Supabase for the backend, Tailwind and Shadkin UI for the Posthog for analytics, and Stripe to actually get paid. Simple, effective, done. Let's talk AI. It's a speed boost, not a crutch. Start with ChatLL. Ms. like ChatGPT, level up to app builders like Bolt, VO, or Lovable. Graduate to AI IDEs like Cursor, Windsurf, or continue. Use them for scaffolding, boilerplate, and mind-numbing tasks. But remember, you still need to finish the real logic yourself. Ready for the 7-day build workflow? Buckle up. Day 1. Prompt an LLM for a detailed spec. Pages, flows, data models. Get it all down. Day 2. Generate starter code with V0, Bolt, or Lovable. It won't be perfect, but it'll be a start. Day 3. Refactor that UI to match a known pattern. Steal like an artist from those reference shots. Oh, and hook up Stripe. You want to get paid, right? Days 4 and 5. Implement your 1 or 2 killer features. Make them work. Make them shine. Day 6. Analytics and on set up Posthog. Capture those emails and design some slick empty states. Day 7. Deploy that bad boy. Slap together a pricing page and a basic fact. You're live, baby. Now comes the hard part. Marketing. Accept the void. Nobody's coming by default. You need to make some noise. Social media is your new best friend. Short daily posts about your build process, problem demos, and mini wins. LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Pick your poison and start posting. Remember, distribution doesn't equal virality. Be consistently slightly annoying everywhere. It's not about going viral. It's about being impossible to ignore. SEO basics. Nail those title tags and meta descriptions. Make your landing page fast. Sprinkle in problem keyword sections. Write a meaty 1,000-word how-to article targeting your niche. Google will thank you later. Early proof is crucial. Grab testimonials, even if they're from your mom. Create gift demos that show off your app's best features. Record Loom walkthroughs explaining how it all works. Make it impossible for people to say, I don't get it. Look, building a successful app isn't about having the cleanest code or the fanciest features. It's about solving real problems for real people and getting it in front of them fast. Stop overthinking, start building, and for the love of all that is holy, start marketing. You've got the tools. You've got the knowledge. Now get out there and build something people will actually pay for. And hey, if you want more money-making builds like this, hit that subscribe button. Your bank account will thank you. Remember, ship beats perfect. Design sells. And nobody knows your app exists unless you tell them. Now go forth and conquer, you beautiful code monkeys. Make us proud.